Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Tutor Stats. In this video, we will discuss a small question related to probability. The question is, A and B are two events such that probability of A is equal to probability of A given B is equal to 1 by 4 and probability of B given A is equal to 1 by 2. Which of the following are correct? So in this question we will check the options, the correct options, right? So we have given that probability of A is equal to probability of A given B, that is 1 by 4. Okay, and probability of B given A is equal to 1 by 2. And we know that the definition of conditional probability, which is probability of A given B is equal to probability of A intersection B upon में probability of B. And we also know the definition of independent event. So by the definition of independent events, probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. Okay, so this is our first equation, this is second equation. So we will use the equation 1. Probability of A given B is equal to probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of B. Here, suppose if we are assuming that A and B are independent, then it can be written as probability of A is equal to probability of A into probability of B upon में probability of B. It will give probability of A. So we are getting probability of A given B is equal to probability of A, and the value of this probability of A given B is equal to probability of A. It is given in the question, which is 1 by 4. So option 1 is correct, right? And now we will check option B. In the B part, we have given probability of B given A is equal to 1 by 2. Now this can be written by conditional probability. Probability of B intersection A upon में probability of A is equal to 1 by 2. And we also proved in the part A that A and B are independent. So probability of B into probability of A upon में probability of A is equal to 1 by 2. Probability of B is equal to 1 by 2. Probability of A we have already calculated, or it is given in the question 1 by 4, and probability of B is equal to 1 by 2. So we can say that probability of A is less than probability of B. And we can say our B option is also true. Now we will solve for option 3, where probability of A bar given B is equal to 3 by 4. Now by using conditional probability of A bar intersection B upon में probability of B is equal to 3 by 4. And we know that if A and B are independent, then A bar and B will also be independent. So probability of A bar into probability of B upon में probability of B. In this part we will find that the value of the probability value of A bar given B is equal to 3 by 4. So probability of A bar we will get, and it can be written as 1 minus probability of A. Okay, so 1 minus and probability of A is 1 by 4, and this will give 3 by 4. So in this case our C option is also true. Now we will check for option D. Option D is A and B are mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means two events A and B are said to be mutually exclusive. If these two events cannot happen at the same time. Okay, so this is our sample space S, and we have two events A and B. So in this situation, event A and B are mutually exclusive, and the intersection part between A and B is 0. Here A intersection B, event A intersection B is equal to phi. If we take probability on both sides, then we will get probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of phi. The probability of phi means the probability of an empty set is 0. Okay, so probability of A intersection B is equal to 0. This result violates the assumption or the statement of A and B are independent. If A and B are independent, it means A and B cannot be mutually exclusive. So in this situation, event A and B are not mutually exclusive, but the statement is given A and B are mutually exclusive. So this will be incorrect statement. That is all about this. If you need solutions of probability and statistics, then you can comment in the comment box, and you can share this video, and you can also like it.